Hello, my name is Brian Gulak and I'm here with my lunch that I have bought from Subway. Today for my lunch I will be having a 6-inch BLT from Subway on white bread, a bag of plain Lay's potato chips, and a 20-ounce Coke. I've taken apart everything. Now I'm going to weigh it to see how much the sandwich weighs in grams. I'm going to start with my tomatoes. There are 3 sliced tomatoes on the BLT, and they weigh 21 grams. All right, next I'm going to measure the bacon. The bacon, which was heated in the oven, pre-cooked, it was 4 slices of bacon. The weight for the bacon comes out to 3 grams. All right, next I'm going to weigh the lettuce. The serving size of lettuce put on my BLT is 29 grams. All right, next, like I said, it's a 6-inch on white bread. I'm going to measure the bread. The bread comes out to 82 grams. And last but not least, I will measure the potato chips. I've emptied all the chips out of the bag, and we'll put them on the scale now. And they come out to 32 grams. As you can see, it's just a small serving bag of chips. So total, with the Coke, chips, and the Subway sandwich, I have 157 total grams of everything weighed out. And total calories for the sandwich is 320. The chips have 240 calories, and the Coke has 240 calories as well, for a total of 800 calories for my Subway sandwich lunch, 6-inch BLT with chips and a Coke.